Okay, so in this lecture, I'll be giving you two different tools that you can use to beat your competition, because you will be able to see their tags, you'll be able to replicate their success, so you will be able to replicate a video success of a video that is going viral, so you'll be able to do that with the tools that I'm about to give you. So you can either use, there are two of them. Let me just set up this. Okay, the lighting was bad. You can use either vidIQ. You can go to vidIQ.com, or you can just use TubeBuddy, whatever you prefer. I personally use vidIQ, but you can feel free to use TubeBuddy. I haven't tried it yet, so maybe it's even better than vidIQ, but I personally use vidIQ. If you want to use TubeBuddy, you will just click on this install free on Chrome, and it will add that extension to your Chrome browser. So you need to have a Google Chrome for this. If you don't have a Google Chrome, if you use Mozilla or whatever you use, you can just search for Google Chrome and then just install that. And then just add this extension to your Google Chrome. Or if you want to use vidIQ, you will have to create an account here for absolutely free. You know, just enter your name, email, create a password, agree to the terms and services, sign up for absolutely free, and that's all you have to do. And just add you will just add that Chrome extension to your browser. Let me just log into my account so I can show you. So once you create an account on vidIQ, you'll be able to log into your account. This is what you're gonna see. So not enough data yet to display. You have the analytics, you have videos, you have descriptions, you have even subscribers. So everything that you need, you can find right here. And you can also upgrade this, but I will not recommend that. You know, you don't actually need that. You just need a free Chrome extension for this, for what I'm about to show you. So just go to Google Chrome, just Chrome Store. I can. Okay, here it is, and then just search for vidIQ or TubeBuddy if you want to use TubeBuddy, and just add an extension to your Chrome browser, as I said. And here we have everything. I need to log in right now, so you enter the email that you used to create an account on vidIQ.com previously. Enter the email, enter the password, and then just go back to YouTube. And if you refresh your YouTube page, you can actually see. Okay, it's not showing yet. Oh, as you can see your watch time, you can see your subscriber count and all that basic stuff, but that's not what we are interested in. What we are actually interested in is this. So once you find a viral video, so let's find some viral video from the Make Money Online niche. Search for that viral video, search for Ronaldo or whatever you want to, and then go to this week, filter view count once again. And as you can see, you have different data right here that you have. You can see how many searches per month does it have. You can see average age and stuff like that. So you can basically come to some of these videos, and you can click on this video, and you will be able to see how it's performing. So this video is getting 66 views per hour. As you can see, it has 73,000 views. You can see how many Twitter followers they have, Instagram followers. But the most important thing, you can see their tags. So you can see the exact tags that they are using on their videos, which is really amazing, because without those tools, you won't be able to do this. You can't see other people's tags if you don't have vidIQ or TubeBuddy. And those are free extensions. I will repeat that once again. Those are absolutely free extensions. You can upgrade it to a paid version, but you really don't have to. And you can basically just copy all of those tags by clicking on this button right here. You can copy the tags, and you can just, as you can see, I can just paste them wherever I want to. But once you upload your video, you will just copy their tags and paste them in your video tags. And I'm gonna show that in some of the next lectures. But these are the tools that you can be using for absolutely free to see other people's tags, to see how their video is performing, and all of that basic stuff. And you can either use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. I think the TubeBuddy is really similar to the vidIQ. You will do the same thing. You will install the free Chrome extension. You will create an account. You will log into your account, and you will be able to use it like this.